Hello everyone, and welcome to Daniel's Model Trains. As you can see, I have two locomotives on my layout. As you can see, this is in HO scale. So the locomotive we're going to be taking a look at today, it is not my CSX Ace, but it's my CSX Tier 4 Gevo. So with that said, welcome to the channel, folks. Expect more of this, reviews, running time, and yeah, just general model train stuff in general. So I gotta move 4835 out of the way, so that this way we can take a look at 3339. All right, let me get out of the way. Alrighty, so taking a look at the front, we have step ladders here. I have the EMU train line hose, grab irons, ditch lights, fake chain here, CSX YN3B logo, headlights, door with the lookout point. I'm not sure what it's called. We have the front windows, lighted ditch lights, which I will put a little video up on screen of that working. The builder's plate, but we'll get into that side more. We have the train line hoses right over there, two of them. We have what I believe is a metal Katy coupler. I'm not entirely sure though. Anyways, there's the AC vent up there, and the windshields with windshield wipers. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be one on this side, but I'm not sure. And once again, those lighted number boards, lighted headlights, and lighted ditch lights. Alrighty, so taking a look at the side of the locomotive, we can see 3339 with this lightning bolt. That means it's an AC unit. We have ET44AH right here, American flag. Very small and almost unlegible builder's plate. If I zoom in here, so you see this back windshield is bent. Oh well. We have the side windows. These windows are not openable, at least I don't think so. We have one of the other panel vents here. Moving down a little bit. As you can see, we have so sticker right here. I'm not sure what that is. We have a small F with a warning label. AC unit vents. Now, along this entire side of the locomotive is the FRA mandated yellow stripe, and all American or North American locomotives have this. So whether that be something like an SC60M or ACE, they all have this. Alrighty, so we have the AC unit vents. We have the more radiators and vents, warning label, an arrow. What I think that says fire, I'm not sure. It's unlegible, but at least what I'm thinking it is. We have warning labels, radiator. We have the K5HL horn right up here. As you can see, we have the YN3B logo for CSX. B standing for boxcar. If I move the tripod a little bit, we have a trademark. This is under the official CSX licensing, so they do actually can put all this other little detail that maybe some other companies won't. As you can see, we have the fuel tank cap, along with this little red box here, along with the gauge. Now I know this is something for the air compressors, but I'm not sure what. My unit's a little dirty, I'm sorry about that. Moving here, moving down a little bit to the trucks. We have a lot of detail, and you may think that's a fake chain. However, it is a completely real chain. Now I'm not sure what happened to mine, but there's a little broken detail that I can lift up, as you can see. I'm not sure what happened. We have a whole bunch of wires and whatnot here. And here we have the very large radiators. And that's pretty much, and we have the very large radiators, like I said. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this side. Let's move along to the back. Alrighty, moving along to the back, starting from the top. As you can see, we have that very triangular radiator. That's what GE's known for, especially for their Tier 4s. the difference between a normal ES44AC and a Tier 4. The Tier 4 has this very large triangle-shaped radiator, whilst the ES44AC has a much a lot smaller triangular shape, but still big. The backup headlight with this little cap here, vents, CSX boxcar logo, grab irons, EMU trainline hose, extra knuckles just in case of this locomotive right here, breaks a knuckle, trainline hoses and brake hose on both sides. The brake hose is right here, and the trainline hose is on the other side or right there. All right, let's take a look at the other side. All right, here we are at the other side of the locomotive. As you see, we can see the radiators, a lot of warning labels, the little brake hand wheel. You can see the YN3 boxcar logo right here. The K5HL horn, the step ladders to get up to the cab with grab irons. I forgot to mention that on the other side. We have the fuel tank with the fuel tank gauge. And we also have some warning labels. Now if I just move the camera a little bit right here, as you can see, there's no back windshield thingy-mabob here. So I don't know what it's called, but we do have one right here. These windows are not openable and they're very darkly tinted, unlike the windows right here where you can actually see inside. Again, we have the AC vent, but there's only one of them here. We have 3339 with the lightning bolt, the American flag, and the ET44AH. So, with that done, I'd say we can run it around the layout for a bit, and I'll give my honest thoughts. Also, I forgot to mention this. The previous owner that I bought this locomotive from, he set the momentum really high on this locomotive using a DCC controller. And so once you see the lights come on, that means there is track power and whatnot, and then it'll just get up and moving. So I've attached a short freight train, but nonetheless it's still a freight train. So send track power and get her on the move. So that is my honest review about the CSX Tier 4 Gevo by Intermountain. All in all, I think this is a great model. Highly recommend it. Super accurate details. And it's a really great runner. Can be a little noisy at times. It makes a when it's starting up. Here I can demonstrate. That's just a little demonstration of the sounds that can make. However, not to worry. I think, honestly, if you just want a good model of a CSX Gevo, this is probably your best bet. So this is made by Intermountain, not Scale Trains. Scale Trains one was quite high in price, I'm not gonna lie. It was like $300. But then I saw this, so I was like, okay, I might as well get this. Because I live in Canada, where things are really expensive nowadays, so finding this for a good deal was just great. Anyways, folks, thank you all so much for watching this first video on my channel. Sorry I stuttered quite a lot, quite new to this reviewing thing. I might be reviewing another locomotive, probably next week. I'm not sure though, I'll just see how busy my schedule is, because of school and whatnot, but other than that, thank you all so much for watching. I will be posting YouTube shorts and teasers about my next locomotive that I'm reviewing. and I will most likely do running sessions very soon. So with that said, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Peace out, folks.